Hello my beloved Kathinatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's go back to Sunset Station Casino. It's a very special day for me and Gil, so we're gonna go on a lunch date, so stay tuned. So we are here at Sunset Station Hotel and Casino. I bet. Sobrang init. Parang first time natin na pumasok dito na ganito, daytime. Yeah, kasi normally gabi kami talaga pumapasok dito, kumakain ng dinner. But ngayon lunchtime. Sunset Casino Hotel and Sunset Station Hotel and Casino. Yun. And we ordered 3 dozens of oysters, 1 chupino, and we're gonna try something new for today, and it's the linguine and clams. So yun po ang ating lunch for today's lunch date. And kami po ay gutom na talaga. Wala masyadong tao dito ngayon. So, okay lang. Madali kang makapasok, madali kang makaupo, at madali ka rin makapag-order. Kasi last time, gabi kami pupunta dito. Usually late na, pa alas 10, parang ganon. Sobrang dami na talaga ng tao by that time. Marami na yung pila. And may waitlist na sila for dinner. So, ngayon, lunchtime, actually mas okay siya kasi hindi masyado talaga ganong karaming tao or customers ang meron sila. And guys, so ang pinakaunang dumating sa aming hapagkainan ay San Lucena. So kumpara natin doon sa Dollar Oyster sa Green Valley Resort Spa and Casino. Hirapan na naman ako. So, mas mas malaman. Nandun kasi mas maliit, and at the same time, talagang pang $1 oyster lang siya talaga. So, dito medyo mas may kamahalan kumpara mo doon. Pero kung makikita mo yung talagang laman niya, mas malaman siya.
Kirain na natin, matirahan pa na.
Tara, kain po! nakamot namin ang oyster. So, ngayon, nireserva muna namin yung pangatlo. Para naman may partner kami doon sa hot meal namin. Uli, nasaksiyan na naman ninyo ang katakawan ni Bisayang Ilocana pagdating sa oyster. At pati ang katakawan ni Senyor ay nasaksihan din po ninyo. So yun, actually today we are celebrating our 59th monthsary. Yan, isang buwan na lang. Beb na, nakasurvive siya sa akin guys. Yun yung sabi niya.
I know, right?
Thank you, Beb. So, yun po ang sinelebrate namin today. It's our 59th monthsary and yes, we still and we will always celebrate monthsaries. Hiningal ako, kakalakad. So, yun, sana natakam kayo uli sa oysters and maraming salamat po sa panonood. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to hit that bell button para naman notified kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. And please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Yun po. So, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!